burdens have no weight. There is a throne that stays open early and late. You don't have to understand it, you don't have to explain. Just walk in like a child and call his name. I carried it so long, I forgot what rest felt like. I carried it through the darkness, carried it through the night. The worry sat upon my chest like a heavy stone. I talked to everyone I knew, but I felt alone. I tried to fix it with my hands, I tried to use my mind. I looked for all the answers in the places men design, but every door I opened just led to another wall, until I heard a still small voice: son, why carry it all?
Take it to Jah and leave it.
Don't pick it up again.
Take it to Jah and leave it.
Let his hands hold what you can and lay it down at his feet.
Lay it down, lay it down.
Walk away in peace.
Walk in peace.
Take it to Jah
Leave it.
and leave it. My brother lost his job, he lost his family too. He sat inside the darkness, not knowing what to do. He said, I've prayed so many times, why does heaven stay so still? I said, sometimes the answer is the peace before the fill. My sister carried sickness in her body growing tired. She said, I've trusted Jah for years, now I feel like a liar. I held her hand and said, your faith is not defined by what you see today, but by the Jah you trust inside, trust inside.
Trust inside.
Jah is there, Jah is there.
Jah is there. Jah is there.
There is a place where burdens have no weight. There is a throne that stays open early and late. You don't have to understand it, you don't have to explain. Just walk in like a child and call his name.
Take it to Jah.